Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to learn fast questions step by step. Start by listing the question types you face and rank them by frequency. Practice with short time drills and use active recall between sessions. Mix study modes like writing, speaking, and teaching to someone else. Track progress in simple increments and adjust focus based on results to build faster, reliable mastery. Warm up with targeted drills, then alternate focused study and quick review periods. Use flashcards or apps to schedule spaced repetition for your weakest questions. When you practice, simulate test conditions and force active recall rather than passive reading. Summarize answers aloud as if teaching, and record short explanations to replay. Small, consistent sessions beat marathon cramming for durable learning and create a simple weekly plan with short daily goals and specific question targets. Start each session with a quick warm-up, then tackle one challenge type for concentrated practice. Log errors and convert them into flashcards for your spaced repetition system. Regularly simulate pressure conditions to build speed and accuracy. Keep sessions upbeat and short so you sustain momentum and steadily reduce mistakes over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.